After completing the chapter 1G, then 1H is all objective type questions. So hope you will have to solve it by your own level, and wherever it has any problem, so that time the respective questions you will write down, number of the questions you will write down in the comment box. I will solve it. So many times I have said so, but you have not written any problem in comment box. It I have started after completing the chapter. CCE test paper is for the revision of all chapter first. So all these are all questions are very easy, and you have completed it all during classes. All such type of questions you have solved, but right now, behalf of me, many students have a problem, so I have started it. Now see it. CC test paper 1. The question number 1. Find the additive inverse of 7 by minus 10 and second 8 by 5. We have 7 by minus 10 is a negative rational number. So as we know, when the question has asked the additive inverse, so negative rational number will change into positive rational number, or positive rational number will change into negative rational number. This one the question. 7 by minus 10, the positive rational number is 7 by 10. And in question number 2, we have 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is a positive rational number. So negative rational number is minus 8 by 5. This one the additive inverse of 8 by 5. The solutions of question number 1 is here. Question number 2. The sum of two rational number is minus 4. If one of them is minus 11 by 5, find the other. Sum is given along with one number is given. So when you subtracted the given number from the sum, then you will get the required number. Here, let the required number be x. Minus 11 by 5 plus x is equal to minus 4. This one the equation. If you simplify it and find the value of x, so that time this one the answer. Hope you will do so. Now in question number 3, what number should be added 2 minus 3 by 5 to get 2 by 3? This one the same process. Let the number be x, let the required number be x. So what number should be added? Minus 3 by 5 plus x is equal to 2 by 3. These simple equations, when you solve it, and you will get the answer. In question number 4, what number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get minus 1 by 2? The same. Let the required number be x. So what number should be subtracted? 3 by 4 minus x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here you will see minus 3 by 4 will remain in the same place, and minus 1 by 2 will transpose it here. So it becomes negative. Rational number will, whenever it is transposed here, this negative rational number will be in positive, and minus x will transpose there, so it becomes plus x. And after that you will simplify it, you will get the value of x. This one the solutions of all 4 questions, and from here hope you are capable to solve it. You are capable to find the value of x. In question number 5, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 4 and 11 by 4. Multiplicative inverse. Minus 3 by 4 and 11 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 into 4 by minus 3. When both will be cancelled and it becomes 1. So the multiplicative inverse of this number is 4 by minus 3, which you say minus 4 by 3. Like the another 11 by 4. The multiplicative inverse of 11 by 4 is 4 by 11. The multiplicative inverse. This one the answer. In question number 6, the product of two number is minus 8. If one of them is minus 12, find the other. Let the other number be x. So the product is given. Find the product of two rational number is minus 12 into x is equal to minus 8. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 by minus 12. Both negative sign will be cancelled, and 8 and 12 both are the divisible by 4. So 4 2 ja and 4 3 are. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Evaluate. In question number 7, evaluate. Minus 3 by 5 into 10 by 7. Evaluate this one. So, minus 3 by 5 into 10 by 7. 5 2s are minus 3 into 2 by 7 minus 6 by 7. This one the answer of it. Clear? Minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. Here, in any rational number, if the exponent is in negative minus 1, it means write down, we have to write the reciprocal of this given fraction. So, minus 5 by 8, it means minus 8 by 5. This one the answer of it. How? So, 1 by minus 5 by 8. Then 1 by minus 5 into 8 is equal to 8 by minus 5. In rational number, denominator is never in negative form. So, minus 8 by 5. The simplification of this. How this number has come? So, this one the process. In question number 3, minus 6 to the power minus 1. Also, as we know, minus 6 means minus 6 by 1. So, the reciprocal of this number, it means 1 by minus 6. It is not possible in a rational number. So minus 1 by 6. This one the simplification. This one the value of this given minus 6 to the power minus 1. And in 8, name the property of multiplications shown by each of the following statement. See, the question is written, and here minus 12 by 5 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into minus 12 by 5. In property 1, commutative law of multiplications, where two rational numbers have given and you can arrange them in any order. So this one the commutative law of multiplication. In second question, minus 8 by 15 into 1 is equal to minus 8 by 15, as 1 as a multiplicative identity. Here 1 as a multiplicative identity. In question number 3, minus 2 by 7 into, minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 under bracket into minus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 into minus 5 by 7. This one associative law of multiplication. Like the same, if two rational number is given and you have to arrange or we have to arrange in any order, so this is called commutative law of multiplication. When three rational number is given and it will be arranged in any order, so this one is called associative law of multiplication. Fourth, minus 2 by 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Here a into 0, this one, any number, suppose a into 0 is equal to 0. So 0 for any real number, when you multiplied it, the product of when 0 is multiplied with any rational number, the product will be 0. Two by 5 into minus 4 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 10. This one, the multiplication over addition. 2 by 5 into under bracket minus 4 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10. So 2 by 5 is multiplied with here this number and again this number. So this law is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. Hope all properties I have taught, and whenever you have learned all properties, you will easily solve it. And remember, this property has come many times in these classes. In this question, find two rational numbers lying between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Solution. we have minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Adding both rational number and multiplied it by 1 by 2, we will get a new number. 1 by 2, taking the LCM of 3 and 6, 3 and 2, 6 is the LCM, 3 2s are, so minus 2 plus 3. 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, so 1 by 12 is the new rational number. Here, and from this new rational number, we are independent to take any one of these numbers. So 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 2, taking take the LCM of 3 and 12. The LCM is 12, 3 4s are, so minus 4 plus 1. Here 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 12, so minus 3 by 24. So both are the rational number in between 1 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. These are the answer, 1 by 12 and minus 3 by 24. Maybe your and mine answer will be not matched, but the process is the same. You are independent to take. Here I have taken minus 1 by 3, you will take minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 12, then your answer will be different, but the process is the same, and this process is the correct process. Wherever you get the answer will be different, but the process is correct. Hope this type A has completed, and from type B all questions are MCQ and you will have to solve it, and in C sections fill in the blanks, and in D sections true and false. So all questions are very easy for you to solve it. Then after completing this chapter we have to start in chapter exponent. So you will do it all. Again I have said, wherever you have a problem, so that time you will write down the related problem in the comment box. I will solve in the next video. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.